what's going on? So if you've been watching, we're building our own butcher shop, and we have tons of this extra metal roofing and a bunch of metal from inside. So instead of it sitting there rotting and doing nothing, I want to see how much it brings to the scrapyard. So I'm gonna load this baby up and bring it there and see how much it brings. First I gotta clean the snow off, but kind of curious. So there's a big pile down at the barn over there, so some metal roofing, wire, bunch of aluminum, some more aluminum, load it up. So I got some loaded up. We got some snow, so a lot's covered by the snow, but this is some of it. Roofing, a little bit of wire, some aluminum, 2 little things of wire I gotta go through and separate. And then I might have to pick up another day when the snow melts so I can get the other pile, because I can't really see it right now, but this is it for now. Here's one of the piles that are in the snow. And there's a ton of little pieces, so I don't want to miss anything. So I'm going to wait until this thaws out. There's another pile all the way over there. So just want to make sure I get everything. And we'll see you back here. Right?
Yeah.
Dude, see you later. See you later, dude. We'll get this thing loaded up and I'll see you at the scrapyard. Right?
Yeah.
Don't eat snow.
Let's see.
It is now 2 days later. The snow is melted, so let's load this up. A little bit here. We got a decent amount of aluminum buried here. Didn't realize that. Separating the steel to the metal right now. Or steel to the aluminum, I'm sorry. And should be a full bucket almost. So let's keep going. So I got it all loaded up on the trailer. Trailer's hooked up, strapped down. I got 2 buckets of aluminum there. And then all that roofing stuff that I showed you. I'm just curious to see what a bunch of crap laying around comes to. So let's go see. Hopefully nothing blows off while I'm driving. I'll keep checking now. Alright, we're pulling up here now. I'm going to try to record as much as I can, but I don't want to stick a phone in their face. So I'll see if I can videotape us unloading it, but if not, I'll show you how much we made, and I'll show you when I leave. But here it is. This is what we made. We had 57 pounds of aluminum, which was $25.65. Can't really read their handwriting. They write like chicken scratch. And then we had just over a quarter of a ton of just steel, I guess, $44.80. And then we had 3 pounds of cast iron, which is $5.10 or $5.16, I think that looks like. So a total of $75.55. So that's not too bad. That just goes to show you, if you have anything laying around that you're not using, or extra material, or stuff in your yard, or garbage, go scrap it, because that's not bad. That's a nice meal out if you use it for that or whatever. Yeah, that's not bad. So I got a little bit more stuff I can bring, some wire. Unfortunately, I was not able to bring that wire with me. There was just too much garbage and crap mixed in, so I didn't have time to separate it. But I got some of that, some copper, and some other stuff. I'll make another video, and we'll try that out too. It'll be a smaller load, but honestly, probably more money, because it's all copper and wire, and a little bit of compressors and stuff like that. So we'll make another video, and we'll see you there. Thank you, guys.